Hello there everybody, and welcome back to my channel for a little cheeky extra video this week, which I'm super excited about, because today I am going to be unboxing the brand new MacBook Air. How cool is that? Oh my god. I think you'll know if you've watched my videos that I am definitely not a tech wizard. My laptop is actually a HP Windows laptop, but because of my YouTube channel I edit all of my videos on Charlie's MacBook, and Charlie has upgraded her MacBook to this new one, which was released last week, I think, by the time you're watching this. I'm not too sure, so don't credit me on that, but it was released not long ago and she has kindly lent it to me so I can do an unboxing, as I think it's quite cool to show you like where I edit my movies and what I edit my movies, who am I, what I edit my videos on. So really, without any further ado, I'm gonna jump straight into the video rather than waffling, which is something that I've got a terrible habit of. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below if you enjoyed this style of video. Let me know if you do, because I can maybe do other things that are quite similar. And yeah, first of all, I would just like to tell you a little bit about the specifications of this new laptop, which doesn't mean too much to me, but I know it is very important when you're considering buying a new laptop. So we'll jump straight into that now. So this is the 13-inch MacBook Air, which comes with 8-core CPU and 7-core GPU, 8GB worth of memory, 256GB worth of storage. It weighs 1.9 kilograms or 2.8 pounds, has 2 Thunderbolt or USB 4 ports, a headphone port as you would normally expect, and the charger is a USB-C charger. I will leave a link to the Apple website down below so that you can look at further specifications, but for now it's time to start the unboxing. So apologies if you wanted a nice film peel. As I said, this isn't my laptop, so that has already been done. But when you initially open the box, the first thing that you see is the laptop, which is absolutely gorgeous. This one is in the colour Space Grey, which I think looks really nice and really modern. As you can see, the laptop is incredibly thin all the way around. On this side you have the usual headphone jack, which you'd expect, and on this side you've got these 2 USB ports here, which are definitely different to the ones that I've been used to on the 2014 MacBook Pro. But the way in which I plan to use these is by utilising this device here, which will attach into the port by this, and then I can insert my SIM card here and my hard drive in one of these, and obviously you've got 2 extras for anything else that you might want to use alongside the laptop. Upon opening the new MacBook, you can see the backlit keyboard, which I think is absolutely stunning. I really love the look of this. And you also have the standard mouse pad, which again, in comparison to the 2014 model, feels a lot lighter to tap. It's barely requiring anything to make a little click. This Mac also has the addition of the Touch ID Center, which is fingerprint activated and can be used for numerous things such as unlocking your device, downloading apps and using Apple Pay. The rest of the packaging, once you've lifted out the laptop, looks like this. It's incredibly simplistic and nice and clean and modern, which is what I really like about Apple products. Here you have the USB-C charging cable. It's 2 meters long and definitely won't be looking this neat after this video is over. And underneath this pocket here you have the charging adapters, which you will use alongside the cable to charge the MacBook. And as you can see, that is everything that is included in the new release of the MacBook Air. I'm really looking forward to using it, and I hope this video has helped a few of you guys out if you're considering buying it. Let me know down in the comments if you have purchased one of the new MacBooks, either the Air or the Pro, and how you're getting on with it. And other than that, I'm just going to keep it short and sweet, because this really is a quick little video, and as I said, it is an extra one to my channel this week. So if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below, and I will look forward to seeing you all soon in the next video. Bye!